Conveo AI is one of the most exciting new releases in the world of artificial intelligence, and in this video, I'm going to break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about this game-changing tool. Whether you're a digital marketer or just starting to explore the world of AI, Conveo AI might just be the tool you've been waiting for. Stick around till the end because I'll share how you can try this software for free, and trust me, there are some surprising insights that could change the way you use AI forever. First off, Conveo AI is designed to automate a range of tasks for digital marketing professionals. But what sets it apart from other tools is its precision. It uses advanced machine learning algorithms to help you create content, optimize your campaigns, and analyze data more efficiently. The best part? It learns from your usage patterns, becoming more effective over time, essentially becoming your personal AI assistant in digital marketing. One of the standout features of Conveo AI is its content generation capabilities. It can quickly generate blog posts, social media updates, and even email campaigns with minimal input from you. The software doesn't just produce generic text either. It tailors its output to your brand's tone and style, ensuring that your messaging is always on point. This is a huge time saver for marketers who need to churn out high-quality content regularly. Then we've got the data analysis functionality, which is a real game changer. Conveo AI goes beyond surface-level analytics and digs deeper into customer behavior, conversion rates, and campaign performance. The software then provides actionable insights, making it easy to understand what's working and what's not. It's like having an in-house data scientist without the hefty salary. Another key feature is its ability to integrate seamlessly with other popular marketing tools like Google Analytics, HubSpot, and MailChimp. This level of integration ensures that you can continue working in your preferred environment while getting the most out of Conveo's AI-powered features. Now, Conveo AI isn't just about saving time, it's also about improving ROI. The software includes advanced automation tools that allow you to run personalized marketing campaigns at scale. From lead nurturing to follow-ups, it ensures that you never miss an opportunity to connect with your customers. Automation combined with precise targeting means that you'll be reaching the right people at the right time. But I know what you're probably wondering. How easy is it to use? Conveo AI has been designed with ease of use in mind. You don't need a technical background to start using it right away. The interface is clean, intuitive, and user-friendly, so you can focus on strategy rather than getting bogged down with complicated setups. And here's something you'll want to stick around for. Conveo AI is completely free to try for a limited time. Yes, you can test out its powerful features without spending a dime. Just head to the link below to get started, and you'll see firsthand how this software can revolutionize your workflow. Before we wrap up, I want to mention that after trying thousands of AI tools, Conveo AI is one of the few I've found that actually delivers on its promises. If you're looking to step up your digital marketing game, Conveo AI is a must-try. But don't just take my word for it, see for yourself by clicking the link below. And don't forget to check out my recommended AI software list in the description. I've tested and reviewed a ton of tools, and these are the best ones I recommend you try for free. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on these powerful tools to streamline your business.